going on, everybody? It's me again, speaking of another video. What I want to talk about too is you gotta think about the people who has helped you in the past. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Is talking about who has helped you in the past to get you where you at today. It can either be a positive, it can either be a negative. But if it's positive, and this person invested in you or your household, your family, especially in a financial especially in the financial aspect of it is, and you still haven't thanked them for what they've done for you, or repay them for what they've done for you, you might want to do that. Now, I've been through that. I got people that I've helped out, and they have not paid me back. Multiple people have, because I'm just a good person. And then the part of me has been fighting with it, like, should I just let it go? Because when I realize is that they're taking that real estate in my mind. So what I kind of decided was, you know what? I'm not going to let them keep on taking real estate in my mind. I'm not going to. And I'm going to just wish the best success, wish the blessings upon them in their life, that they can succeed in whatever it is that they're doing. And then if they decide to return the favor back, or as far as monetary or thank you or whatever it is, I'll gladly accept it. But if not, I hope they know that you took advantage of a good person. This goes for anyone else. This goes for anyone out there. Anything you do, stop doing things to help people, especially when it comes to a monetary value, if you know this person's is never going to pay you back, or never going to give what they owe you back. If you have it to give, just give it. Don't even try to say we're paying you back. Don't even do it. Just give it, and just say that you're doing your good deed. You're doing your good deed, and you'll get blessed for it in the long term. Because at the end of the day, it's going to hurt you more and bother you more than what it will them. What it will to them ever will be at all. I mean, it's going to hurt them more. So, from what I learned, what to do is I'm not even worried about it. I got X amount owes me money for a transmission on the car that she destroyed. I got another person owes me money that I helped out. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's just learning lessons for me that now I'm a better vet people who I help out. And really look at the whole background, look at the whole picture, who these people are, and know that I would never help them out again. But also too, even in the future, I really will use God's discernment on who I help out, because, or if not, I just give them. If someone says, "Hey man, can I borrow $5 or $10 so I can go this?" I said, "No, what man, don't worry about here. It's $10. Have it. Just pay it forward." You know what I'm saying? do like that, you're gonna not live with knowing the fact that somebody owes you money or something like that. And when you see them online flaunting around with this and that, buying new cars and this and that, and you see them or this and that, knowing the fact they owe you money, it's not gonna make you mad, bother you. It may bother you a little bit. It's normal.